Good Thursday morning to you, and welcome to the first day of August 2013. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for Thursday and straight through the weekend. We're going to take a look at what's going on today. We do have an unsettled day with showers and thunderstorms over much of our area here, and we're expecting a decent amount of rainfall from it, anywhere from between a half inch all the way up to about an inch and a half of rain. Could be some locally heavier amounts than that too, but for the most part, that'll be your range for rainfall today over the entire coverage area here. And what we have going on here is a low pressure system that's going to be sitting down here. I have a cold front back here, kind of a couple different features coming together at once here, and this is low pressure is moving along a warm front. And as this warm front's pushing north, so is a low pressure system. It's moving actually to the northeast. And then once this kicks through, the cold front will swing through, later on Thursday night, overnight, and clear us out for Friday. So that's what we're looking at synoptically. I want to take a look at the Hydrometeorological Prediction Center and their outlook for rainfall, total rainfall in our area here. And again, just in that same range here, anywhere between a half inch and an inch and a half of rain, I think, is the general rule. Not everywhere in there receives the heavier amounts. It's just going to depend where those storms set up. We'll take a look at the high-res NAM, see what it thinks, and here's the look at 7 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, and going from that point, you see that heavy concentration of showers and thunderstorms reaching eastern Pennsylvania by early to mid-morning on Thursday, and then just cutting across into New Jersey here as we get in the afternoon. And while Jersey's getting that, it looks like we're done with everything, but then there's more stuff developing here back behind it that will also rotate through when the cold front starts pushing through here as we head toward the evening. So you might have some heavier rain, and then you have a break for a couple hours, and then getting into some heavy rain potential again later in the day. So it's not going to be an all-day deal constantly, but there is that potential for these heavier storms wherever these decide to set up within our coverage area here. We're looking at the European model's total forecast precipitation, and they're generally in the same range too here, generally between a half inch and 1.5 inches. The highest concentration has over Jersey now. The last couple of days has been over eastern PA, so it's anywhere within this region here. Of course, this is our coverage area. From this entire area right here is our coverage area, and anywhere really within this coverage area, you'll have that opportunity to see the heavier rainfall rates. If I had a bet, though, it probably would be more so in the central portions here as we head to New Jersey. So we'll just keep watching that, and please pay attention to the National Weather Service. If they do issue any flood advisories or warnings, please take the warnings seriously. We're going to go back to the European model, and we're going to go forward in time here. Now, the next chance of precipitation is actually going to be with a secondary cold front moving through on Saturday. It's a fairly weak front, but you can see this here Saturday morning here. It's going to be pushing off to the southeast here. But we're just looking at an isolated chance for thunderstorms, maybe a 30 or 40% chance over our entire area here as this moves through. It's going to move through pretty quickly and not hang around all day. So it's not really anything too much to worry about here, but there is that chance for the showers and thunderstorms to move through. And here's Saturday evening. Here's now moving to South Jersey, and then it moves off the coast for Sunday. Sunday, you're high and dry here with virtually no chance of precipitation, and you have the high pressure moving in behind it. As we get into early next week, we're going to get into a couple days here where it's going to be struggling down to 70s in most locations and very low humidity. So we're getting back into that pattern again where we have the trough setting up over the northeast here, and with that trough here, you have the winds coming in out of the north or northwest, and that's the cooler Canadian air, so you're dealing with the 70s. Maybe still staying in the 80s here down in South Jersey and Philadelphia area, right around the metro area here. But for everywhere else, you're probably going to struggle to get out of the 70s as we hit into Monday and Tuesday of next week, but remaining dry for the most part. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for Thursday, August 1st, 2013. Have a great day.